This is going to be a video product review of the Diablo. I believe that's a 5-inch pruning blade. I'm going to be using a Milwaukee reciprocating saw. Let me show you what the job is. We have a small tree stump. I dug it out yesterday and all the dirt went back in when I watered it. I'm by a driveway, so I really can't be using pounding tools like I was yesterday. I know there's a gas line within about a foot of this thing. There are probably sprinkler pipes very close by, so unlike the macho YouTube people that like to use their big saws and big 12-inch blades and pound the heck out of things, this is going to require a lot of work. I'm not really worried about taking the whole stump out. I'm just going to cut around this thing and get it level with the ground, and we'll cover it up with dirt and let nature take its course. So I'm going to be testing out the 5-inch pruning blade from Diablo. I'm sure it's going to work. All I want to do is, yesterday I used a handsaw and an axe, and I cut around a lot of these little pieces, a lot of the roots. But we're going to finish it off today. I am not opposed to cutting down the center of this to break it in half. I just want to get it out in small pieces without damaging the person's driveway and without damaging any plumbing or gas lines in the area. Be safe, be careful, take your time. Let's get this job going. Thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. Click on the affiliate links in the video description, donation links. You know the routine that nobody does. I want to say this is their 5-inch pruning blade. There are other blades they're selling now that have some really weird thing at the tip. This is not that type of blade. This is strictly the 5-inch pruning. I don't even know if they sell these anymore. I'll leave the info in the affiliate links in the video description for what this is or what you can buy. But let's hook this thing up and see what happens. Here we go, people. Let's see what this blade does. That is impressive. It's very impressive. I'm not worried about dulling the blade going through the dirt. I'm just worried about getting the job done. Let's see what else we can do here. Yesterday I spent about an hour and a half cutting away at this, and in about 2 minutes I accomplished what I accomplished yesterday in 2 hours. Look at this. This stump is going to come out in no time. About halfway done, little resistance. You'll notice as I'm doing that, I'm sawing with the blade. I don't know if that makes any difference. This is a huge piece of trunk over here. Yeah, this goes right down to the bottom. I'm going to get this camera out of the way. I'm going to finish this job off, and I'll let you know what I think and show you the end result. Yesterday I spent about an hour and a half, 2 hours, using this saw, using this, using this tool, and all that time was wasted because within 10 minutes this Diablo saw blade, pruning blade, this is an old one, this is not that big of a sawzall. If you're using if you're cutting down a bigger trunk, you might want a bigger blade and a more powerful saw, but this thing, in about 10 minutes or so, removed all of this, and I'm done. I recommend the blade. I'm sure the newer blade is even better, but there you go.